The ultimate fishing reel comparison, Daiwa Revros LT. Looking for a fishing reel that combines strength, precision, and affordability? The Daiwa Revros LT is making waves in the fishing community. Discover why this lightweight yet powerful reel is perfect for lake and river fishing, whether you're just starting out or an experienced pro. The Revros LT features Daiwa's innovative Zion V body, an advanced resin-carbon material that's lighter and stronger than traditional graphite. This rigid design keeps gears aligned, maximizing efficiency when battling tough catches. For anglers aiming for both strength and agility, this reel truly shines. Equipped with an air rotor for balance and sensitivity and an air bail for effortless line handling, the Revros LT ensures ultra-smooth casting and retrieval. Its DigiGear technology guarantees precision, power, and long-lasting performance, making every fishing trip seamless and enjoyable. The ATD drag system on the Revros LT uses low-viscosity grease for a smooth, steady drag. From your first hookup to reeling in that prize fish, you'll love its reliability and responsiveness under pressure. Say goodbye to sudden snags or jerky movements. Don't settle for less on your fishing adventures. With cutting-edge materials, innovative features, and a proven track record, the Daiwa Revros LT is the reel you've been waiting for. Take the next cast toward your best catch and snag the Revros LT at your preferred retailer today. If you want to order, click the link in the description below.